Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on engineering mathematics. In this video on inverse Laplace transform, I am going to discuss examples based on differentiation technique. Guys, in my previous video, I have already discussed this method in detail and solved few examples on it. In this video, we are going to see some more examples based on the same concept. So let us first recall this technique. Using this technique, you are going to see how we can use the derivative of the function to find its own Laplace inverse. For that, let us recall the effect of multiplication by t rule to find Laplace transform of the given function f of t, which states if Laplace of f of t is phi of s, then Laplace of t into f of t is minus phi dash of s, where this phi dash is derivative of phi of s. Now let us take this L on the other side. We will also take this t on the other side. Therefore, we get f of t is equal to L inverse of phi dash of s into minus 1 upon t. But note that this f of t is nothing but L inverse of phi of s. So when this f of t is replaced by L inverse of phi of s, we see L inverse of phi of s is equal to minus 1 by t into L inverse of phi dash of s. Which means if you wanted to find out L inverse of a given function phi of s, you simply find out L inverse of its derivative and multiply it by minus 1 by t. So using this as a formula, we are going to solve some examples. Let's go for our first example. Here we are asked to find L inverse of log of s plus a upon s plus b. Now let's look at the solution.